Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from my Sigara channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabing tatingnan natin na nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of August 15 hanggang August 21 for the sign of Scorpio. Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio ang ating masasaga for today's video? Ano kayang kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga hagilap, no? So this is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagaw. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and the notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all of our bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito ang reading mo for this week. So, umpisahan natin. Angel Spirit, please give me an information for the sign of Scorpio. So, magsha-shuffle tayo guys ha. Tingnan natin guys kung anong pasabog tong magiging kaganapan sa'yo, no? Hagilapin natin yan, T. Susuyurin natin ang sulok ng mundo, no? Para malaman ko kung kaninong energy, no? Ang ating masasagap for today's video. Okay, thank you, Angel Spirit. Let's give me information for the sign of Scorpio. So, kanino na naman kaya tong Hanash? Okay, there is a Three of Pentacles, teamwork, collaboration, and there's a Two of Cups. There's a partnership, and there's a unity love. What is the unity love? And of course, there's a Ten of Swords, no? Kumbaga, there's ending defeat. Matatapos na yung mga nagbabackstab sa'yo or something betrayal. And of course, at the same time, there's an High Priestess. There's an hidden enemies and hidden agenda. And of course, there's a Three of Wands waiting for a result. So, himayin natin, T. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a partnership na magbubuka sa iyo ng magandang opportunities. And of course, sinasabi dito ng the High Priestess, and of course, there's High Priestess, and of course, there's a Ten of Swords. Ibig sabihin dito, may betrayal na naganap, or there's an unexpected betrayal, or there's an unexpected na taong kumbaga there's an hidden agenda or hidden enemies. Meron ditong lihim na may galit or inggit sa iyo, no? What is the Three of Pentacles, and of course the Two of Cups? Get more information. So there is a Five of Swords. Get more information pa. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a self-sabotage, no? Or there's a sabotage na nangyari, no? Or losses, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kumbaga nagkaroon ng surrender or taking away from the situation. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kumbaga nagsisisi to, no? Kumbaga, dahil ginawang ka ng hindi maganda, or dahil nag-backstab sa'yo, or dahil, kumbaga, dahil sa naging behavior na. So, what is the Ten of Swords? And of course, there's a High Priestess. Okay, there's a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition or listen to your gut feeling, no? Kumbaga, meron ka ditong gut feeling na meron ka na nararamdaman dito na, something backstabbing on me, or something species, ganon, or something stickiness. There is a High Priestess represent a Two of Swords. There's a decision. No, kailangan mo mag-decision. Maniwala ka sa gut feeling mo at magtiwala ka sa nararamdaman mo. Sabi mo, there's information. Parang, okay, may nasa-sense ako, nararamdaman ko, may tumatrader sa akin. Ganon. What is the Three of Wands and of course the King of Wands? Or pinag-uusapan ka dito ng mga backstabbing, yung mga taong gumagawa ng hindi maganda against sa'yo. Because there's an Ace of Cups, no? There's a foresight or there's a trouble. The King of Wands, there's a vision or kumbaga, bigger feature or there's an energy. No? Mataas ang energy dito na mukhang may trouble or there's a moving abroad or more, kumbaga may lipat na eksena, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's an Ace of Cups, clarification ng Chariot, and of course, the Temperance. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na may bagong eksena, there's a new love life, new offer, or you taking action, there's an offer that brings you a new beginning. And of course, there's a balance, no? Kumbaga, there's information na sinasabi sa'yo na mukhang magiging balance ka na dito. Kumbaga, mataas ang bigger feature of yourself na magiging maganda ang buhay mo. Parang ganon. Kumbaga, or magiging maganda ang buhay relasyon mo. What is the Three of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, the Two of Cups, and of course, the Five of Cups. Okay. Okay. My goodness. And of course, there is a Seven of Swords, and of course, the Two of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a sneakiness niya. There's a lying cheating on you. And of course, sabi dito, there's a two-path, no? Kumbaga, there's a decision and options, no? Kailangan mamili ka dito. Kasi mayroong tao dito na kumukuha ng information sa'yo. Kaya kailangan maging matalino ka, ha? Parang itong tao na to, kumbaga, kunwari, ano sa'yo, kumbaga, friend sa'yo, parang ganun. Friendly mo. Gano'n, parang kaibigan mo to. Kumbaga, hindi mo alam kumukuha pala ng information sa ito, no? Kumbaga, i-backstab ka nitong tao na to. And of course, there is a Ten of Swords, the High Priestess, and the Page of Cups. And of course, there is a Two of Swords. Get my information. Okay, thank you. There is an emperor, no? Ibig sabihin, be disciplined. And of course, maging disiplinado ka sa sarili mo, kailangan wag ka magbibigay ng kahit anong information. And of course, Five of Wands, maraming komplikado, maraming argues, or maraming challenges, or maraming trader, or maraming competitors, no? There's an hidden agenda or hidden enemies. Maraming tao sa paligid mo na nakatagong lihim na impostor, or lihim na traidor. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, maging maingat. What is the Three of Wands, the King of Wands, the Ace of Cups, the Chariot, and the Temperance? Get my information. Okay. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, T, na mayroong wow, the World and the Star card. Kaya pala may trouble. Some of you, T, ha, bigla ang matutupad yung pangarap mo na makakapag-trouble ka. Or there's a success and healing, no? Healing and hope and miracle coming in for you. Kumbaga, sa chart na to, there is an information na mukhang hatid ng panibagong eksena at panibagong simula, no? Kumbaga, mukhang babaligtad ang mundo para sa iyo at para sa mga taong nag-traidor sa iyo. Mukhang ito na yung katuparan sa pangarap mo na biglang binago ang buhay mo at babaguhin ang buhay mo at magkakaroon ka ng new opportunities and new life, no? New life and new beginning. Parang ganun pa, bagong simula, bagong pag-asa. So what is the total outcome? What is the total outcome? Okay, ang pinaka-outcome is the Hangman. Baguhin ang perspective, baguhin mo yung ways on how to talk, on how to collaboration, on how to, how to give a conversation in anyone, kung sa mga tao sa paligid mo, kung paano mo protectionin yung grounds mo. Huwag ka magbigay ng impormasyon na alam mong gagamitin nila against sa'yo. And of course, there is the Magician and the Death card. Kumbaga, there's a manifestation and transformation. Kumbaga, ibibigay na ni God ng mga bagay na kailangan ay dapat ay tapos na. Kumbaga, ito ay magbibigay ng simula at magbibigay ng panibagong buhay. What is the additional outcome? There is a Four of Pentacles. Sinasabi sa dito, T, na mukhang there is a new routine and new opportunities that brings you investment. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng bagong investment at bagong oportunidad at bagong buhay. So, it's a bagong pag-asa, bagong simula at bagong buhay para sa ito. So, what is the Love Oracle card? Ganda ng reading nyo to, ha? Bagong simula, bagong buhay, no? Bagong pag-asa. And girl talk. So, some of you, ha, there are some friends na, kumbaga, pinag-uusapan ka, or kailangan mo makipag-usap with your friends. And of course, sinasabi dito sa'yo na, there's a key on the ring. So, ibig sabihin, marami kang option. No? And of course, at the same time, there's a twin flame, no? Kumbaga, there's a yin and yang. There's a positive and negative, and brings you a balance. No? Kumbaga, there's a union on some of friends, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng collaboration with your friends. Kumbaga, gano'n. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa dito, mag-ingat ka. Kasi mayroong mga kaibigan dyan na hahanap lang ng bagay na ikababagsak mo. Or some of you, may mga tao sa paligid mo na naging traitor na minsan at hahanap yan ng butas para ikasira mo. No, relate. What is a chakra? What is the chakra? Guess. See? Maraming mga guess. Ibig sabihin, maraming mga bisita o maraming buwisita. And there's a impatient, no? Kailangan, kailangan habaan mo yung pasensya mo. Masyado mo sigurong nagiging padalos-dalos, masyado mo minamadali ang eksena. So, kalma lang. So, what is additional messages? There's a support. So, some of you, sinasabi dito ng ating gabay, na ginagabayan ka at sinusuportahan ka, no? Sa buhay mo at sa ginagawa mo. Don't you worry. Hold you tight, no? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a, wow, support and protected. No? Support and protected, of course, there you are on the right path. Pasabog, diba? Protektado ka na, suportado ka pa, you are on the right path. Nasa tamang eksena ka. Pasabog ka dito. What is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? It's time to take an action. So, kailangan mo na mag-take ng action. At the same time, work, what do you need to release? Ano ang kailangan mo i-release? Ang nakaraan at ang mga negatibo, lalo-lalo na ang mga kaibigan mong ambisyosa. And there's a new start is coming. I told you, there's a new life, new beginning, and new bagong buhay, no? Bagong buhay, bagong pag-asa, at bagong simula. And of course, what is the angel's number? Marami magsisimula dito, T. Ha? Parang ito na yung simula ng pagbabago sa buhay mo. And of course, there is Psalm 24, I am generous. So, sinasabi dito, guys, you have a heart of a gold and are very skilled and maintaining balance, stable, and relationship. You are loyal to your loved ones and are able to be and the nurturer, protector, and provider all at once. So, ibig sabihin dito, na napaka-generous mo, no? Kumbaga, mapagmahal ka, you are being loyal, and of course, you are being faithful, no? Kumbaga, siguro yung katangian na yun ay talagang nurture sa'yo. And of course, ganun naman talaga ang Scorpio, di ba? Talagang kaya mo magsakripisyo. Alang-alang sa taong mahal mo. Alang-alang sa taong minamahal mo. At alang-alang sa taong mga mahal mo sa buhay. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na, di bali nang wala ka kaysa mahirapan sila. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, kahit nga inuuna mo sila kaysa sa unahin yung sarili mo. Di ba? Minsan nga, nakakalimutan mo yung sarili mo kaysa sa, di ba? Ganun yon. What is additional messages? Okay, there is a mystery. So, ibig sabihin dito, listen to your intuition. May misteryo sa likod ng mga bagay-bagay. Lalo-lalo sa paligid mo. And there's a goddess inside. Don't you worry. Ipapasilip sa'yo ni God ang mga taong may masamang balak sa'yo. Syempre naman, hindi yan nahayaan ni God na gawang kanila ng eksena at lalo-lalo na gumawa pa ulit sila ng eksena against sa'yo. Diba? Kung baga sinasabi ni God dito na tapos na ang maliligayan nilang araw at protection at gagawan nila ng paraan para i-shield ka nila, no? I-block yung mga ganong eksena nila. What is Archangel Michael messages? Have confidence, no? Magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo, sa mga gawa mo, at sa sarili mo. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, and energy healing work. So, some of you, kailangan mong gumaling sa anumang karamdaman mo at gumaling sa anuman ang eksenang nararamdaman mo. And of course, sinasabi dito, there is a romance, angels are helping you. Some of you sa mga relationship, maaring ginagabayan ka ng ating mga gabay, mukhang tinutulungan ka kung if you are being broken-hearted or you're feeling lost. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na mukhang gagabayan ka at para matagpuan mo ang taong para sa'yo. What is the energy? What is the energy? And of course, si Chakra, Archangel Metatron, ibig sabihin dito, bibiglain ka ng eksena at bibiglain ka ng pagkakataon. Parang sinasabi dito na parang makikita mo bila kang, di ba, ang kidlat. Parang, ano yan, at may kulog. Parang gano'n. Kumbaga, magugulat ka, tapos bigla kang bibiglain, matatakot. Gano'n. Kumbaga, there is an information na para kang, mabibigla. There's a surprises. And of course, there's an attachment. Ibig sabihin dito, mabilis ka ma-attach sa mga bagay-bagay sa mga tao. Ibig sabihin na yun yung kailangan mong baguhin. Yung attachment. Kasi dun sila kumukuha ng atake para gawang kanila ng issue. Di ba? May mga gismo sa media sa paligid mo na susubukan kang tag dito pabagsakin. And of course, there's a service. Ibig sabihin, some of you, there's a personality na kumbaga tumutulong ka sa tao. No? And of course, there's a courage. Ibig sabihin dito, labanan mo ang takot at pangamba mo. Be confident. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? What is the Jesus loving quotes? Sinasabi sa dito ni Jesus na whatsoever you shall ask the Father in my name, He will give it to you. Ibig sabihin dito kung ano man ang hinihingi mo sa ating Ama, sa ating naglikha at sa ating may kapal, ibibigay yan sa'yo kung karapat dapat at ipagkakaloob yan ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. No? Kapag alam niya hindi makakasama sa'yo, dapat talaga yan ibibigay sa'yo. What is the messages of life? Ang pinaka-messages ng buhay ay I welcome. Taray. So, sinasabi dito, guys, I welcome life as it presents itself to me. Today, I take step on my path to fulfill with a good faith. I swim easily with the flow of life. I embrace all the experiences that the universe bestows on me. Even those that may prove challenging, I know all will fall into place for my greater good. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, alam mo at the end of the time, kung ano man ang mangyari, kumbaga, subukan man nilang pabagsakin ka, aangat at aangat ka, no? Kumbaga, kung sino man ang sino man ang binababa, siya tong inaangat. Huwag ka mag-alala. Magpakumbaba ka in all time, iaangat ka ni God sa lahat ng estado, sa lahat ng aspeto at sa lahat ng mga eksena mo. So, this reading is weekly gabay for the month of August 15 hanggang August 21 for the sign of Scorpio. This reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!